for your Scorpion. When opening your package from EvoGraphix, you will see a printed wrap, 4 alcohol pads, and 1 micro squeegee. Before you start, remove the alcohol pad and clean the gun surface very well. You want to remove all grease from the gun surface. Pick a section of the gun that you want to start with and carefully remove the wrap from the backing. Start by aligning the 2 main cutouts. Once you have it aligned, lightly press down before you take the squeegee and squeegee the flat surface first. Once the main area is squeegeed down, take your finger and run it right along the edge. Start working it down to the next crease. Repeat this step until the whole side of the gun is wrapped. As you see here, I used the hard card part first and finish it with the felt side of the squeegee. Once everything is squeegeed, use your finger and rub all edges of the graphic. Next, move to the lower section of the gun and repeat the same steps. Carefully line up all the edges before squeegeeing. On this section, make sure you line up the square part first before pressing down. Work one side at a time. The handguard is the trickiest part of the gun. Starting with these 2 cutouts, align first and gently touch it down, making sure all the edges are aligned. When squeegeeing, lightly press down. Do not push too hard, otherwise it will cause the vinyl to wrinkle. There you have it. You have one side of your gun wrapped. Repeat the same steps for the other side, and you will be good to go. And don't forget, we have a free sticker with every kit. Please follow us on Instagram at Evo3Graphix. Send us pictures of your Evo wrap and we will share them on our page. Thanks again. Skins for your Scorpion.